Salted eggs as a soup base? What? Yes, if you can believe it. This ingredient makes for an amazing soup base. All you need are onions, garlic, salted duck eggs, and water to form the base, and then add in any other ingredients for a quick boil styled soup. For this soup, I use toppings such as fresh octopus, fresh napa cabbage, soft tofu, green bean vermicelli, and fresh green onions. This makes for a great one-pot quick boil dinner for the whole family. Start by creating your soup base. It's a simple combination of sauteed onions with diced garlic and smashed up cooked salted duck egg. You can buy these cooked eggs from your local Chinese supermarkets or even make your own. I love the fact that you can mash these Chinese delicacies up to create a rich, milky broth as a soup base. Season additionally is needed, but you don't need a lot as these eggs are already very tasty and salty on their own, and the yolk adds a delicate smoothness to it. Super yummy. I'll then add 10 cups of water and bring that to a boil. Once that boils, add in your other ingredients. Drop in the chopped napa cabbage and allow that to soften, and then the vermicelli. I'll add this in completely dried, but you can soak in cool water ahead of time to reduce cook time. I'll let this boil together for 10 minutes on medium heat, and then gently drop in the tofu last as this cooks relatively easily. I'll just let this tofu sit on top as the steam cooks it anyways. And I like my tofu intact during service. It just looks nicer. Garnish with fresh green onions, serve and enjoy. With the squid, I just pan fried until crispy and served on top after. Delicious, easy to make, and family friendly. I really love making these one-pot soups. Happy soup making, and see you next time.